Okay, page number E27, 10th problem. Page number E27, 10th problem. The following is the discipline payments account of the Ashok Nagar Association for the year ended 31st December 2005. Balance on 1/1/2005. Entrance fees, subscriptions 2004, 2005, 2006 years. Locker rent, special subscription for dinner. Year rent, stationery, wages, billiard tables, repairs, interest, furniture, books, fixed deposit, dinner expenses, balance on 31st/12/2005. Locker rent 300 related to 2004, rent 2004, 400 has been paid in advance. Subscription 600 are unpaid for 2005. From the above information, you are required to prepare an income and expense account for the year ended 31st December 2005 and the balance sheet as on the date. So, we asked the income and expense account balance sheet, but there is no capital amount. That's why we have to prepare income and expense account, opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet. So, write first income and expense account. Expenditure, amount, income, amount here. Now, opening balance don't take. Entrance fees. So you can take entrance fees by entrance fee 5,500 rupees. Next, subscription by subscription. So 2005 year amount 85,000. But I told last year amount 2004, 2002, next year amount 2000. Actually, I told what that these two amounts are minus, but here separately as given. That's why don't minus. If these two amounts included 2005 subscription, then you will minus. But here separately as given, that's why don't minus the 2004 year amount to 2006 year amount. Is that? Now, but in the paragraph, subscription 600 rupees are unpaid for 2005. This year you have to receive. So write add receivable. Receivable 1,600 rupees. So 86,600 rupees. Next, locker rent. Locker rent 1,600 rupees. 1,600. But here see in this first paragraph, locker rent 300 rupees included to 2004. 2004 nothing but last year. Last year outstanding 300 rupees minus 1,300 rupees. Next, special subscription for dinner. So take here special subscription for dinner 7,600 rupees. That's all. Come to debit side. To rent 14,400 rupees. But here rent 2004 has been paid in advance. Advance nothing but that minus paid in advance 2,400 rupees. 12,000 rupees you can take. stationery 2870. Wages, these are all expenses you can take. Wages 9,800 rupees. Billiard table, it is asset amount, don't take. Repairs 5410. Interest 6,200. Furniture asset don't take. Books also don't take. Fixed deposit don't take. Dinner expenses you can take. Dinner expenses 5,800 rupees. Any adjustment balance don't take. Any locker rent okay, rent 2,000 okay, assistant okay, that's all. Now you can get surplus. Find the total: 1,100, 1,400, 2,000, 9, 10, 16, 21, 2 plus 8, 10, 1,01,000 total. Verify once the total and answer 58,920. Yes, 58,920 rupees. There 10 rupees, 7 rupees, 7 and 80, 2,800. Okay, 58,920. This is answer. Once you verify in calculator, 58,920. Now you have to prepare the balance sheet, but here there is no capital amount. First you have to get the opening balance sheet. Liabilities amount, assets amount. In opening balance sheet, opening assets and liabilities you have to take, and last year values you can take. Here opening balance, cash in hand, in receipt side opening balance is there, that is called cash in hand. Balance on 1,1,2005, 3,000 rupees. You can take this one. Subscription outstanding for 2004, 2,000 rupees. In this paragraph, locker rent outstanding 2004 year 300 rupees. That's all. 5,300 rupees. These are all opening assets. So this is called balance amount of capital 5,300. Now closing balance sheet. Okay, liabilities amount, assets amount. First take capital amount 5,300. Add surplus. Surplus we got here 58,920. This amount you can take here. 58,920. Find this total. 29 plus 3. 12, 9 plus 5, 4, 64, 9 plus 5, 14, 64,920. Now subscription 2006 rupees, that is subscriptions received in advance 2006 year amount. Upon that is also 2,000 rupees. Next, asset side, billiard table. Billiard table, this is asset 39,000. See the payment side, furniture. Furniture 2,000 rupees. Books 3,000 rupees. These are all assets. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit 10,000 rupees. Balance, that is called cash in hand. Cash in hand 8,220. So now come to adjustment. Locker rent already completed. Rent, that is prepaid rent asset. Prepaid rent 2,400 completed. Now subscriptions receivable. Subscription outstanding for this year 1,600 rupees. From the total 66,220. Asset side also you can get 66,220. Like that, this sum completed. Okay, we got that answer. Now 11th problem. Prepare income and expense account and balance sheet from the following receipt and payments account and balance sheet for 2005. Receipt and payments account for 2005 as given. Balance on 1/1/2005. Subscriptions 2004, 2005, 2006. Entrance fees, locker rent, miscellaneous income. Expenses 2004, 2005. Land, interest, miscellaneous expenses. Balance 31/12/2005. Balance sheet as on that 31/12/2004. Liabilities, capital fund, subscription received in advance, outstanding expenses, loan. Assets, building, outstanding subscription, outstanding locker, rent, cash. Okay, he has given receipt and payments account as well as opening balance sheet. So we have to prepare the income and expense account and closing balance sheet. Very easy sum, but some difficulties are there here, some points are there. Eleventh problem. Page number E28. 11th problem. Income and expenditure account. First take subscription by 2005 year amount 4,200. But see in asset liability side, subscription received in advance. Last year they received in advance. Okay, but that amount is belong to this year. So add received in advance in last year 200 rupees. Total 5,400. Take 5,400 rupees. Next, but here separately has given 2004 2006 year amount. Don't take. Entrance fees. By entrance fees. Entrance fees is 1600 rupees. Locker rent. Locker rent 1500 rupees. But in asset side, see, outstanding locker rent 480 rupees. This is last year. Last year outstanding 480 rupees. So 1020 can take. But here outstanding subscription also they are 760, but didn't take the year because of this is separately as given for 2004 400 rupees. So in balance sheet you can take this one, this amount. So now don't take now. Next miscellaneous income. Miscellaneous income 8000 rupees. That's all. Come to liability expenses side. Two expenses. You have to take 2005 year amount, 4000 rupees. Next, land asset don't take interest. Two interest, 800 rupees. Expenses. Miscellaneous expenses 4000 rupees. That's no other amounts. Two surplus. ₹20. 6 plus 4, 10, 9, 10, 11, 16,020 rupees. 16,020 minus 8,800. 16,020 minus 8,800 rupees. 7,220. This is answer. Now directly closing balance sheet. Closing balance sheet. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. First take capital amount. Capital amount already has given 67,240. 67,240. Add surplus. Surplus amount 7,220. 64, 40, 74,460. Now come to liability side. Subscription received in advance. Received in advance. Here 1200 rupees. This is last year amount. But in this year 2006 year amount 300 rupees. 2006 year amount you can take 300 rupees. Outstanding expenses. Actually 2,800 rupees we have to pay, but this year expenses in this year we paid only 2004 year 2,400 amount. So remaining 400 rupees still we have to pay last year amount. So right here 2,800 minus 2,400. Actually last year we had to pay 2,800, but in this year only 2,400 amount we paid. Still we have to pay 400 rupees. Next, Loan 10,000 rupees. Come to asset side. Building 60,000 rupees. Outstanding subscription. Last year we had to receive 760, but in this year we received 2,400 rupees. 760 we had to receive, but in this year we received only 400 rupees. Nothing but 360 rupees still we have to receive. Okay. Next, outstanding lock rent we have taken. Cash, that is 20,000 last in cash here, but in the payment side balance 16,800 rupees there. That is cash amount 16,800 rupees. And we purchased this year land 8,000 rupees. That's all. Find the total. 60 rupees. 7 plus 4 11. 1 plus 4 5 8. 85,160. Correct है यहाँ. So you can write 85,160. 60 is there. So like that, 2 problems today I have finished. 10th sum, 11th sum. Orderly I am explaining all problems. So you have to practice the sums. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain 2 more problems.